Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a truckerized tune-up report for James in Texas on this Ranger RCI-69FFB4. James, got you ready to go, bud? Full truckerized package, all my audio mods, wideband receive mods, high cut noise filter right here in the back. Let me show you. Amp on off switch right beside it, they're both labeled. Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade, clarifier's been unlocked. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Start with RF power all the way down. Go in here and mute my monitor radio real quick. Put the amp on. Got you about 20 watts all the way down with the amp on. Roll it all the way up. Sitting there about 140. Show you average power swing. Low 250 in the corner. 1000 watt slug and PVP. Low 600 watts. Roll it all the way down. Low. Still 600 watts. Alright, my friends, ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. One of the last of the Mohicans. There's not going to be any of these more made, according to what Ranger put out last week in an email. So once they're gone, they're gone. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.